Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best RV security systems on Amazon. RV security systems provide comprehensive protection, combining advanced technology and monitoring to safeguard your vehicle and belongings during your travels. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Realink Argus Solar Wi-Fi Security Camera. Installing a security camera can be a complex process. However, the Realink Argus Solar Wi-Fi Security Camera makes it a simple, stress-free experience. Its entire design doesn't feature any wires to ensure users can mount it anywhere on their rig. The entire installation takes about 5 minutes to finish with its easy setup manual. I couldn't have been more pleased by how simple the whole experience was for me. More importantly, it provides excellent results with its built-in battery and perfect Wi-Fi connection. It ends up being a convenient option for anyone looking to buy a security camera with Wi-Fi capabilities. I was also delighted to see this model comes with a CMOS sensor. Number 2. GE Personal Security Window and Door Alarm. GE's Personal Security Window and Door Alarm is a great option for anyone looking to get a bargain buy. This product easily has one of the lowest price tags on our entire list. But don't think the low cost means that it's not a useful device. It's quite the opposite, as it protects in a simple but effective manner. For instance, this alarm comes with 3 adjustable settings: chime mode, alarm mode, and off mode. Switching between them is as easy as pushing a lever up or down. You should also love that this alarm produces a 120 decibel sound when triggered. This aspect should quickly alert you to anyone entering your rig through the door or window it's protecting. It'll stop a robber or vandal dead in his tracks. I found this product's low battery button quite appealing as well. This feature will allow a person to check whether the device's batteries are low quickly. Number 3. Nupal Door and Window Alarm. Nupal's Door and Window Alarm is another good option for any bargain buyers. It's a cost-effective choice ready to ensure your rig stays protected. It can offer these results thanks to features like its 120 decibels alert. This alert will ensure you will have no issues knowing when someone tries to enter your RV unexpectedly. It will also keep your children from trying to sneak out during the night. As a result, it's effective for anyone traveling with their families. You don't only have to use this device as a camper, motorhome, or Class A RV alarm system, either. This product can function in many settings like an office, balconies, stairs, and much more. This product's design is another winning trait. It happens to be extra slim, which makes it undetectable for someone trying to open your window or door. Number 4. Carui RV Security System. Motorhome alarm systems don't come much more convenient than Carui's RV security system. After all, it combines every feature a person would want from these systems at an affordable price. For instance, each buyer will get a travel trailer alarm system with 8 remote key fobs, 2 window door sensors, 1 motion detector, and other components. It'll make sure anyone who uses it feels completely safe when traveling. The alarm itself was another standout feature with its impressive 115 decibel sound level. Users will have no issues alerting anyone nearby when activating it. It's hard to see how an intruder or other unwanted guests wouldn't second-guess their decision. Activating the alarm isn't difficult, either. Users hit the S button on their remote control to ensure the intruder gets a scare they won't soon forget. Number 5. SimpliSafe Wireless Home Security System. A person looking for the most advanced motorhome, camper, or fifth-wheel security systems should be very excited by this option. The SimpliSafe Wireless Home Security System comes with everything someone could want in one of these devices. This system has 5 entry sensors, 2 motion sensors, a security camera, a 95BD siren, and much more. If you thought a security system would need it, SimpliSafe for RV made sure to include it in this product. You even can get optional 24/7 professional monitoring for a flat fee of 50 cents per day. This aspect would provide coverage and protection that no other model on this list can match. It provides a level of peace which most other brands wish they could offer. If these features weren't enough, this system is ready for use right out of the box. Setting it up is a simple matter of plugging in the base station, placing sensors, and getting the camera set. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.